So welcome everybody. So this session, you can either finish off your clothes if you didn't finish that last time. Alternatively, we can move to accessories. That might be bags, shoes, jewelry, or coats, that type of thing. So I'm doing shoes. So I've just emptied out in two different piles. I couldn't be bothered to move one in here, but anyway, this one here is, where is it? Pile of shoes. I've left my husband's. I'm not doing those. I don't want to upset other people, so I'm doing the children's in mind. So that's my pile. Plus, I've got another smaller pile, and I'll see how I get on at the end. See how you get on. I recommend you set a 15-minute timer if you're doing this on replay. Set a 15-minute timer, and we're planning on doing three of those 15-minute timers, so 45-minute in total. Really, the first half an hour is sorting, and then the last 15 minutes is putting it back or putting it for charity. So we've got our piles. Definitely don't want to keep charity, and you might have a can't decide pile and then a definitely keep pile. So I'm finding it quite overwhelming looking at all the piles and thinking, oh, I don't know, it seems a lot to start. So I'm just going to start by sorting out in terms of my daughter's, my son's and mine. And then the piles won't be so big. So then that should be a little easier for myself. So you might find that useful to do as well. So I sorted all my shoes out into piles. I didn't have much to get rid of, but got rid of some slippers, and I've got some sliders, a couple of sliders that I deciding whether I'm going to keep or not, but I'm going to keep them this time because I can't make a decision, and next time I have a clear out, I'll make that decision. So I just wanted to show you as well my children at school. So what I've done is I've just put all their shoes for them when they come home. There's quite a lot there for them to try on and see whether we keep them or whether we get rid of them. Because I can't make the decision for them because I don't actually know if they fit or not, and I don't know if they like them, but they were all in different places and now they're all together. So you can see them and make a decision when they come home. So if you are sorting out somebody else's things, particularly if it's a partner of yours, you might just want to put them in a pile, but they can get annoyed. So it's best to not do it and just let them watch you sort out yours and then get motivated by that. So I hope you've done well in your sorting out your accessories or the remaining of your clothes or your shoes as I've done today. I've still got a bit more time on my timer. I've been doing it 50-minute slots, so I'm going to actually look at coats now.